Imagine a world both familiar and alien. A world where the sun does not rise alone, where two fiery spheres of light dominate the sky, casting twin shadows and painting the landscape with an ever-shifting glow. This is Earth, but not as we know it. This is an Earth with binary suns. The presence of a second sun would change everything we take for granted. From the way our climate functions to the very evolution of life itself. How would our world differ under the rule of two celestial overseers? To understand, we must first explore the impact of binary suns on planetary conditions. On Earth, a single sun dictates the rhythms of our days and seasons. But in a binary system, the complexity is multiplied. Depending on the orbital configuration, Earth could experience wildly erratic daylight cycles, alternating between periods of intense heat and prolonged twilight.
The stability of a planet's orbit is crucial for life. A binary system could create gravitational tug-of-wars that make long-term climate stability a challenge.
If the suns are close together, they act almost as one, with their combined gravity affecting Earth in a way similar to our current sun. However, if they are further apart, Earth's orbit might take on an elliptical shape, resulting in extreme seasonal variations. Imagine a summer where the heat from both suns overlaps, pushing temperatures far beyond what we experience today. Then, a winter when Earth drifts away from both stars, plunging into a deep freeze. But what about life? Would plants and animals evolve differently under dual sunlight? The answer lies in adaptation. Plants, the foundation of life on Earth, would undergo dramatic changes. Today, plants absorb sunlight through chlorophyll, primarily using the red and blue wavelengths of our sun. But with two suns, each potentially emitting different spectra of light, photosynthetic organisms would have to adapt. Some plants might develop multiple pigments, capable of absorbing a wider range of light frequencies, while others could evolve reflective properties to avoid overheating under the intense twin rays.
Life adapts to its environment in remarkable ways. If Earth had two suns, the evolutionary pressures on life forms would be immense, driving the development of unique survival strategies.
Animals, too, would evolve to handle the shifting light conditions. Nocturnal creatures might develop enhanced eyes to cope with prolonged twilight, while diurnal species might rely on reflective adaptations to shield themselves from excessive exposure. Predators could use twin shadows to their advantage, ambushing prey confused by the unnatural lighting. Even our own evolution might have been altered. Our skin, our eyes, even our sleep cycles would be fundamentally different. And what about the sky? A binary system would redefine our perception of day and night. There might be times when one sun sets while the other remains, creating endless days or eerie half-lit twilights. Sunrises and sunsets would be spectacles of unparalleled beauty as the two stars dance in the heavens, casting shifting hues across the sky. But the changes wouldn't stop at the surface. Earth's atmosphere would also feel the effects. A more intense solar output might strip away our atmosphere faster, or create denser cloud cover to compensate for the excess heat. Weather patterns would be unpredictable. Hurricanes and storms could be far more powerful, and precipitation cycles would be unlike anything we've known. In a worst-case scenario, gravitational interactions between the two stars could eventually destabilize Earth's orbit, either sending it spiraling closer to one sun, resulting in a fiery demise, or ejecting it into deep space, a frozen world forever drifting in the void. But let's assume Earth finds stability in this dual star system. How would humanity have developed? Would our ancestors have told stories of two gods in the sky? Would civilizations have worshipped the greater sun while fearing the lesser? Would science have progressed differently, influenced by the complexities of a dual sun environment? One thing is certain. In a world with two suns, our planet would be a masterpiece of adaptation, a testament to nature's resilience. And perhaps, somewhere in the cosmos, such a world exists. A living Earth, bathed in the glow of twin stars, waiting to be discovered. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. But for now, we stand under a single sun, dreaming of the worlds that might have been.